Hey YouTube, so this morning, me and my sister came out here and we found a hornworm. And there was a lot of evidence of one, or two, or three, and there was a lot of poop everywhere. And some of the leaves were eaten. So here's one right here. There's the poop. And then there's the hornworm. So that's another one. So that's number 2. Got to get up out of here. There's one, another one. And then here's one right here. Trying to disguise itself. Trying to hide, but I see you. We think we got them, for now at least. But what I'm gonna do is these honeycomb and sungold tomatoes that are ripening, I'm just gonna harvest them. There's some there, then there's some there, and over here there's a couple there. But we caught the hornworm over in this area, and I did kind of notice when I came out, because this plant here was leaning this way, and I said, well, wait a minute. But we got them, and I've spent at least 20 minutes looking at these plants, and I don't see anything else so far on these. So see, I think there goes more poop right here, but that's all I see. And it's getting ready to storm too on this Sunday morning. I'm just gonna pick these. Uh-oh. And with this rain that we're getting, these will just fall off anyway, so I might as well just take them off. All right, and it's starting to rain right now, just a little sprinkle. So here is the Calypso plant, cucumber plant, and I'm just gonna harvest this one here. The last one we had, I let it get really big, but this one I'm just gonna go ahead and harvest this. Now this does have a lot of spikes on it, but I know that I can take it because they just come right off. So let's harvest this one. See that? Calypso cucumber. Pull this off. And these cucumbers, it's a pickling cucumber, but it's really good for fresh eating too. And I know it looks a mess now, but this is German chamomile, and finally it's starting to put on some flowers, some blooms, and then I can make some chamomile tea. I've never had it fresh, so I can't wait. And I do know I put too many seeds in here, because look at that. But it's starting to come up, and I'll be able to harvest soon. So excited about this chamomile. Now this is mammoth basil. Doesn't this look good? Mammoth basil. I think I'm gonna harvest some of this too. Not a lot, but just a few leaves, and these are really big. I've never harvested basil before. I know people, when they put it in dishes, they just break it. But off the plant, I'm just gonna cut it. See that? Mammoth basil. And it smells really good. All right, so this is lemon basil here. And after some research, I see that I can cut right above 2 sets of leaves there. And I can use this in tea for a more concentrated flavor. So I'm just going to harvest this here. Now, I don't know, I've never tried this, but I do know this is lemon basil. And next to this is some sad looking cinnamon basil, but I think I'm gonna harvest some of this too. And I got a lot of cinnamon basil growing out there in the garden, but up here there's just a few little plants. So here's more cinnamon basil. I'm just going to, I'll just take a few leaves from this. And this smells so good. Take this one too. All right, so we're on the back porch. And this is what the harvest is for this Sunday morning. Real quickly. Just a few leaves of mammoth basil. We've got this nice cinnamon basil, the tops off of. Got the nice tops off of the lemon basil. Some more mammoth basil. And then these are leaves from the cinnamon basil. And these smell so good. Smells good. This Calypso cucumber, which was ready. And these taste amazing. Nice and juicy. And then these are the cherry tomatoes. These are the honeycomb and the Sungold. All right, so that's the harvest for this morning, and thank you for watching. And this is a really good morning harvest here. Not bad. So until the next video, thanks for always watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified. And until the next video, peace.